In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Waze app not loading on iPhone in 2026. So grab your iPhone and let's walk through this together like you're dealing with the issue right now. If Waze is stuck on the loading screen, freezing or just refusing to open properly, these steps usually fix it pretty quickly. First, we're going to start with the simplest fix, which is force closing the app. Even if it looks like Waze is already closed, it can still be running in the background and causing problems. From whatever screen you're on, swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone and pause for a second in the middle of the screen. This opens your application switcher where you can see all the apps currently open. Now look for the Waze app card. You'll usually recognize it by the Waze map or logo. Once you see it, tap on the Waze card and swipe it up all the way off the screen. This force closes the app completely, not just minimizes it. At this point, Waze is no longer running in the background. After that, go back to your home screen and tap on the Waze app again to reopen it. Give it a few seconds to load. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem, especially if the app was stuck or glitched in the background. If Waze opens normally now, you're good to go. However, if Waze still isn't loading properly, keeps crashing, or gets stuck again, the next step is to reinstall the app. This helps clear out any corrupted files or bugs that might be causing the issue. To do this, find the Waze app icon on your home screen, tap and hold on the Waze app icon until a menu appears. From there, choose the option to remove the app, then confirm that you want to uninstall it. This completely removes Waze from your iPhone. Once the app is deleted, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on the search bar and type in Waze, then search. When Waze appears in the results, tap on it and reinstall the app by tapping the download or install button. Let the app finish downloading and installing before opening it. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Waze. The app should now load fresh without the issues you were experiencing before. You may need to sign back into your Waze account if you were logged in previously, and you might be asked to allow permissions like location access again. Just follow the prompts on the screen and set it up normally. Reinstalling the app often fixes loading issues caused by outdated files, failed updates, or temporary bugs. It's one of the most reliable solutions if force closing alone doesn't work. If you're reinstalling Waze, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes cause the app to hang during setup or loading. Once everything is set up, Waze should load smoothly again. It's also a good idea to give the app a moment after reinstalling. The first launch can take a little longer because Waze is refreshing maps and data in the background. That's normal, so don't worry if it takes an extra few seconds the first time. If you continue to have loading issues even after reinstalling, it's usually a sign of a wider issue like low storage space or an iOS update pending, but in most cases force closing and reinstalling fixes the problem right away. So just to go through it one more time in a smooth, natural flow, you swipe up to open the app switcher, find the Waze card, swipe it up to force close the app, then reopen Waze and check if it loads. If it still doesn't work, uninstall the app, go to the App Store, reinstall Waze and open it again. And that's it. That's how you fix the Waze app not loading on an iPhone in 2026. These steps are quick, safe, and usually solve the issue without any extra troubleshooting, so you can get back to using Waze normally as soon as possible.